Got a lesson for you from Taylor Swift's new album, Evermore. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Willow. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So the verse is made up of 6 chords, the first of which is an E minor 9 chord. So for this, you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string. And you're going to pick the D string, the G string, then you're going to do an upstroke on the B and high E string, and you're going to pull off with your pinky finger from the 3rd fret of the high E string to the 2nd fret of the high E string, and that'll bring us to our E minor 7 chord. Then you're going to do another upstroke on the B and high E string. Then we're going to go to a D major chord. So for this, you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string. And you're going to pick the open D string, G string, then an upstroke on the B and high E strings, and you're going to pull off from the 2nd fret of the high E string with your middle finger to an open high E string. And then that brings us to our D suspended 2 chord. And you're going to do another upstroke on the B and high E string. Then you're going to do that whole thing 2 more times. Then you're going to place your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your pointer finger on the 1st fret or the 2nd fret of the high E string, and you're going to pick the A string, open G string, then an upstroke on the B and high E strings, and you're going to pull off from the 2nd fret of the high E string to the open high E string. And then you're going to pick the open high E string twice. Then 1st fret B string, and you're going to pull off to the open B string. Then 2nd fret G string. Then open B string, and you're going to hammer onto the 1st fret of the B string. And it repeats, and all put together, it sounds like this. Now the chorus. The chorus is made up of 4 chords, the first of which is a G major bar chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 3rd fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 5th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 5th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 4th fret of the G string. Next is a D major bar chord. So you're going to bar the 5th fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 7th fret. Next is an A minor chord. So you're going to bar the 5th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 7th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the D string. And then last is a C major chord. So you're just going to take the D major chord and move it down 2 frets. And it repeats, and all put together, it sounds like this. Now the bridge. The bridge uses a single lick, so you're going to start by placing your middle finger on the 12th fret of the G string and your ring finger on the 12th fret of the B string, and you're going to slide that down to the 11th fret of the G string and the 10th fret of the B string, like this. Then you're going to slide that shape down another 2 frets. Then you're going to strum the G and B string, and you're going to slide that shape back up 2 frets. Then you're going to slide back into the 12th fret of the G string and 12th fret of the B string. Then you're going to strum the G and B string on the 12th fret of the G and B string again. Then you're going to slide down to the 11th fret of the G string, 10th fret of the B string. Then down another 2 frets. And then you're going to strum the G and B string one more time. And it repeats, and all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Willow. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for lessons from this artist. Thanks.